Good hello, greetings of the day. God bless to all of you. Have prosperous life to all of you forever. God will make and keep everything all right and will make more better. So hello, hi. Now I'm going to introduce to you the section 1 basic prompt engineering, which is very important in today's world, or you can say forever, because it is an intelligence which came. So let's learn. All the best. On screen title level 1 basic prompt engineering. Basic prompt engineering is about learning the foundations, how to talk to AI clearly so it understands you every time. Here are the 5 basic rules. Tell AI the role. Example: act as an English teacher or act as a marketing expert. 2. Give a clear task. Example: explain the topic or write a 50-word summary. Like you can say that act as a marketing expert, and that expert has learned all the top 10 books of the marketing or all the best books on the marketing, and worked in biggest companies and mid-level companies, who has experience of more than 15 years or 20 years or 50 years, who is very expert, who has very good experience of marketing. And I I want him to or her to give me a good suggestion, good guidance on my business or marketing agency, whatever you are looking for. Give context. Example: I am a beginner, or explain in simple words. Number 4, set the format. Example: give bullet points or give a step by step guide. Number 5, set the tone. Example: friendly tone or professional tone. This level makes your prompts 3 to 5 times better instantly. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless to you and your family. Best regards always.